To transfer money from Wells Fargo to Zelle, start by ensuring you have the Wells Fargo mobile app or access to their online banking platform. Open the app or log in to your account on the website and navigate to the Transfer Money section. Select the account you want to use for the transfer, such as your checking or savings account, and choose Zelle as the transfer method. If you have not already enrolled in Zelle, you will be prompted to do so. This typically involves verifying your mobile number or email address. Once you are enrolled, enter the recipient's mobile number or email address associated with their Zelle account. You can also select from a list of existing recipients if you have sent them money before. Enter the amount you want to transfer and add an optional memo to describe the transaction. Review the transfer details carefully, including the recipient's information and the amount, to ensure everything is correct. Confirm the transfer and wait for the transaction to be processed. Zelle typically processes transfers in minutes, but the time may vary depending on the recipient's bank. It is essential to note that Zelle transfers are generally free, but your bank may charge fees for certain types of transactions. Always review your account terms and conditions to understand any potential fees. To avoid any issues, make sure the recipient's Zelle account is active and their mobile number or email address is correct. Also, be aware of Zelle's transaction limits, which may vary depending on your bank and account type. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily and securely transfer money from Wells Fargo to Zelle. If you encounter any issues or have questions, you can contact Wells Fargo customer support for assistance.